For problems 5 through 8, 3 pieces of information are given for ABC and triangle YZX. Draw freehand the 2 triangles. Don't worry about scale, and mark the given information. If the triangles are identical, give a correspondence that matches, equal angles, and equal sides. Explain your reasoning. So we're going to sketch out 2 different triangles. And we're going to label them with A, B, C and Y, Z, X. It says AB, that side length, is equal to XZ. Angle A is equal in measure to angle Z, and angle C is equal to angle Y. If I were to rotate this one, then I could get Z to match up with A, Y would match up with C, and this side length would be over here on this side now. So are they identical? Well, I have angle, angle, side for both of them, and they are in that same pattern. So by ASA for angle side, or no, not ASA, angle side, AAS, these are identical. And now we're going to do the triangle correspondence. A has 1 arc in the corner for the angle, and it has to match up with Z, which also has 1 arc in the corner. B doesn't have anything, so it has to match up with X, which doesn't have anything. C has 2, so it has to match up with Y, which has 2.